coming to the takeoff, our aim should be to set up the longest possible lever that we can use to generate height in the jump. And that means we need to learn how to present the foot ahead of the body to set up that lever and give us the ability to strike down on the ground to generate height. So all of this comes from how we use the penultimate foot. So the penultimate step, we said before, we use to lower our center of mass, ready for the takeoff. But we want to land with a flat foot penultimate. This helps us to lower our center of mass, and it also helps us to move that takeoff leg ahead of the body. Now from here, what we want to do is inject speed into the takeoff and speed into that lever. So we're going to push off the toe of the penultimate foot, and we'll see how that extends our body and gets that foot ahead of the body ready to strike. So we're looking to have a flat foot contact with a push off the toe to create that big lever, and then we're going to snap down the takeoff foot to impart our force into the ground. So those final two steps through the penultimate and takeoff are going to be a flat foot with a push and then a flat foot takeoff. Now of course, in order to create that stiffness in the contact, we need to have that straight line from our foot, knee, ankle through to our shoulder. So as we perform the penultimate step, we're actually going to lean slightly back with our trunk as we drive off that toe, and that's going to help us to set up that longer line. So we should have our body leaning back somewhere around 10 to 20 degrees, and that gives us the space for us to run our chest and our hips through the jump and to use that lever to generate height.